Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a Batman edit shake using Alight Motion. So if you want to create epic Batman style edits with the powerful shake effects, here I'm going to show you how you can make a Batman edit with intense shake transition. So first you can just import your Batman clip, open Alight Motion, and then tap on new project. Choose the size. I'm going to just go 9 by 16. Click on the plus button again and go to the media options. Then just add your clip. Okay, so here I'm going to add this one. Now you can just trim the clip to focus on impact moments such as punches, jumps on transition. So for example, I'm going to trim in here. Okay, so after that you can just place the cuts on beat with background music. Now just apply the shake effects. You can click on the plus button and find effect. Sorry, you need to click on the clip first, click on effect and click on add effects, and now you can click on the distortion and all wrap and choose the shake effect from here. I'm going to just search for this effect in here, oscillate. You can go with the standard settings and adjust it to how you prefer. You can adjust the angle into, I'm going to go with 90. And the frequency, I'm going to go with 15. You can go with between 15 or 20. And the magnitude or amplitude, I'm going to go with around 300. Okay, I can just go back and you'll see this shake effects on your clip. You can also add a motion blur and zoom for smoothness. So that's pretty much all. If you're done with the shake effect, you can just export the video at 1080p with 60 fps. That's how you can get a Batman edit shake in Alight Motion. Try this effect in your edits and make them cinematic. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye!